Hey fellow travelers, Nana here from Nana Traveler. Today, let's talk about a place that truly takes your breath away, the Grand Canyon. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast, colorful chasm, nature's masterpiece. The Grand Canyon stretches 277 miles up to 18 miles wide and plunges over a mile deep. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, it's a testament to the power of water and time. The colors shift from soft purples at sunrise to fiery reds at sunset, a living painting that never looks the same twice. Whether you're an adventurer or just want to soak in the view, the Grand Canyon offers something for everyone. It's a place for quiet reflection, thrilling exploration, and unforgettable moments with loved ones. Standing at the rim, you feel both small and deeply connected to the earth. The Grand Canyon isn't just a destination. It's a reminder of our planet's incredible beauty. If you're building a travel bucket list, this is one spot you can't miss. It's a journey that fills your soul with wonder, and the memories, they'll last a lifetime. The Grand Canyon is a history book written in stone. Its oldest rocks are nearly 2 billion years old, half the age of our planet. Each layer reveals ancient seas, deserts, and swamps, making it a geological wonderland. Long before it was a national park, Native American tribes like the Halapai, Havasupai, Navajo, Hopi, and Paiute called this land home. Their deep spiritual connection is visible in ancient dwellings and rock art. Visiting the Grand Canyon means respecting this rich cultural heritage and becoming part of its ongoing story. Every viewpoint and trail holds echoes of explorers, ancient peoples, and dreamers. Here, you don't just see history, you feel it. Ready to plan your trip? Here's what you need to know. The South Rim is open year-round with pleasant summers and snowy winters. The North Rim closes in winter. The Inner Canyon can get dangerously hot in summer, so always check the weather and pack layers. Spring and fall are the best times to visit, mild weather and fewer crowds. Book ahead if you're coming in summer and check for closures in winter. Safety first. The high elevation can affect you, so take it easy, stay hydrated, and stick to marked paths. If you hike, remember going down is optional. Coming up is mandatory. Respect the park, pack out your trash, don't feed wildlife, and leave cultural sites undisturbed. A little preparation and respect go a long way. By being a mindful visitor, you help protect this wonder for future generations. Enjoy the adventure, but help preserve the magic. The Grand Canyon rewards those who come prepared. Make your visit safe, memorable, and truly incredible. The Grand Canyon is all about unforgettable experiences. Start with the views. Mather Point and Yavapai Point offer stunning panoramas. For fewer crowds, drive Desert View Drive and catch a sunset at Lippin Point. Hikers can stroll the Rim Trail or venture below the rim on Bright Angel or South Kaibab trails for a new perspective. For the ultimate adventure, try whitewater rafting on the Colorado River, an immersive journey through the canyon's heart. Or if you're feeling brave, step onto the Grand Canyon Skywalk, a glass bridge 4,000 feet above the canyon floor. Whether you're gazing from the rim, hiking, or floating down the river, every moment here is unforgettable. The canyon challenges, inspires, and changes you. It's a place where adventure and awe go hand in hand. Make memories that will last forever. Your adventure doesn't end at the canyon's edge. Just a few hours away, visit the Hoover Dam, man-engineering marvel on the Colorado River, or cruise a stretch of historic Route 66, stopping in classic towns like Williams and Kingman for a taste of Americana. The Grand Canyon region is packed with history, nostalgia, and natural beauty. Whether you're seeking adventure, reflection, or family fun, this place delivers. The memories you make here will change your perspective on nature and time. The Grand Canyon is more than a trip. It's a journey to one of Earth's most magnificent places. See you next time.